I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kheer mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of basmati rice, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of milk powder. Don't forget aromatic spices like green cardamom pods and a pinch of saffron threads. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped nuts, such as almonds and pistachios, to add a delightful crunch and richness to your homemade Kheer mix. Now let's craft your perfect Kheer mix. Begin by washing 1 cup of basmati rice thoroughly, then spread it out to dry completely for several hours. Once dry, grind the rice coarsely in a blender, ensuring it's not a fine powder. Next, combine the ground rice with 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of milk powder, the chopped nuts, and your spices in a large bowl. Mix everything well to ensure even distribution. Cooking delicious Kheer from your homemade mix is wonderfully simple. For a standard serving, use 1 cup of your prepared Kheer mix for every 4 cups of whole milk. Bring the milk to a gentle boil in a heavy-bottomed pot. Gradually add the Kheer mix, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the Kheer thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delightful Kheer. You can serve it warm, which is comforting, or chilled, which is wonderfully refreshing. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of extra chopped nuts or a few strands of saffron for an elegant touch. Feel free to customize your Kheer by adding fresh fruits like diced mango or pomegranate seeds. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness and consistency to perfectly match your personal taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.